You want to insert an emoji into a Google Sheet. I'm going to show you how to insert emojis into Google Sheets. And it's actually very different between PC and Mac. On PC, you're going to use the window button and period. It also could work with the window button and semicolon. It's going to come up with a panel of emojis. Select one and insert it. I'm going to show you how to do it on a Mac, a little bit weirder. We're going to hold down the Control tab or Control button. Also, hold down Command button, and then we're going to hit space. And so what we need to do is double click inside of a cell, then Control, Command, and Space is going to bring up this menu. Here we can search. I'm going to get a rocket right there. Select it. I selected the rocket, and there you go. You can also copy and paste emojis into your Google Sheets. If you have like an emoji picker or you have emojis on a website, there's a lot of really cool search engines and search sites around emojis that you can type in different words than the exact thing. Inside of Google Sheets, it's going to be the exact word. So you won't find like commander or anything, but you might find captain, let's say. Oh, this mustachioed captain there for command. And for control, I don't know, a whip or something. Yeah, like you're not going to find like, yeah, maybe a thumbs up there. Hope you enjoyed this insert emojis video. Very simple to add emojis. And also it's really fun to add emojis to your Google Sheets. It adds a little bit of personality to them.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have two options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.